Alright, today we're going to do the cabin air filter on the CT6 2016. This is the AC Delco part number. Let's check it out. So this one is in the air box. I know they have torque bits and other things to get it back. Get the seat back. It's in the glove box here. So in this corner there's a tab that has to come out to drop. There's another tab over here that you have to come out to drop. It's hard to do with one hand. Let's see. One moment. So it's hitting here at the top. So this cover has to come out at the top. You see it has these holes here. And the screws are in it. So what I'll do is I'll pull the screws and empty the glove box. And then behind this cover should be where the air filter lives. So it has some Torx that hold it in place either here or here. I'll get you those numbers, get back to you. So I took the screws out. There were 1, 2, 3 at the bottom, and one, can't see, sorry, it's the hottest day in the world, but one here, one here, this is the light, as you can see, and then one here. They're all T10s. So, and then this door comes all the way down, falls all the way down and dumps all your stuff out. So this pops down. And if you really think it was in the way, you could disconnect this. Which is kind of weird. Why is it like that? But there is a light here. Maybe they got one more from factory. I don't know what that's for. Anywho, to get this off, it's different. You just squeeze. And then this cover should come off. And then you squeeze here, and this cover should come off. One side, which is really hard to do with one hand. Okay, so as you can see, I know I've never done it. I've owned it for a year. It says made in the USA, and it has the arrows, and I would expect this has never been done. It's pretty dirty. I don't know what brand that is. So this is a 16 car. This was made in 18. So maybe it was done once. We're in 24. This is your Delco GM part number. That's their part number. And it's made in China. Alright. Let me get that open. Alright, I got it open. And it should just slide in with the arrows down for the flow, like so. Snapping it back in your cover. And then put your upper part back in. So to that effect, shove your 6 screws in just like that. And then pick up your mess. 2016 CT6 cabin air filter. Like and subscribe.